Hey, nieces and nephews, guess where I'm coming from? The food pantry.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Whew. Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I got a food pantry haul for you guys today. And I just got back, and I am tuckered out because I had to bring all this stuff in by myself. I haven't even unpacked it, so we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to see what's in the mystery boxes. Oh yeah, I think I got some good stuff. So I'm going to show you what I got out here right now. Let me just take this off. It's starting to warm up in Chicago, but yet we still got a cool breeze in some places. Is it warm where you all are at? I hope so. Look at this. I got a 2% milk. I believe this is a half gallon. Ooh, my eyes, will tell you, you get older, your eyesight gets better. This is so cool. Now I got plenty milk for Jay. This is gonna be his milk. Okay. So you're not dipping all into mine. No, I'm just kidding. I got six unsweetened applesauces. Now I usually sweeten this with either a little sugar or some honey. Jay is gonna love this. These are for him. Okay? Because remember, you got to get good nutrition for your kids. Look at this. 6 of them. Put those in his lunch. Ooh! I got a whole thing of California raisins. Let's see. Bread pudding. Cookies. Ooh, trail mix. Let's see what we make. I'm so excited about 2 things I got. A whole pack of cheddar cheese. Oh, I got it upside down. Mild cheddar cheese. Yes. So I'm even thinking I could make my seafood macaroni and cheese. I've never made that for you all. Yes. I think that'll be a good idea. I love that stuff. And I got some vegetable oil. Cooking oil. Love that. Now, let's start opening the boxes. Oh, I am excited about this because I don't know what's in them. Let me just move this over. Oh, look at, oh. A whole bag of apples. Jay is going to go crazy. A whole bag. I got an onion. A pineapple. Now, you know what I'm going to do? I know some pineapple tea is coming. But also, I'm going to cut the top off of this and grow a pineapple plant. Now, I don't know if you saw my other pineapple plant out my garden. We're going to do a big garden this year. But you can cut these off and root them, and you'll have a pineapple plant growing. And you can grow pineapples. Yes, you can. Yes, I've done it. Oh, bell peppers. You guys wanted diabetic friendly meals. I'm going to make my diabetic friendly lasagna. We're going to not use pasta noodles. Instead, we're going to use zucchini as the noodles. Yes. And accent the flavor with, of course, some Italian sausage, some meat, and green pepper. Lots of garlic too. An onion. Oh yeah. Let's see. Ooh. A whole bag of roasting potatoes, the golden ones. This has got to be at least 10 pounds. This is nice. 5 or 10 pounds. I don't know. I'm not a scale. I've only been on one. And then we got a bag of onions. Oh, wow. I guess they put the big onion outside of the bag. I don't know why. Look at this. These are nice. Oh, these are, you know what? I'm going to show you how to make some White Castle sliders. They're basically steamed onion burgers. I'm going to show you that too. Oh, cute. We got a personal watermelon. I'm going to make watermelon smoothies with strawberries. Yes. Let's see. Oh, I got some sweet potatoes. I got 3 of those. Candied yams. Sweet potato pie. I don't know yet. Now let's see. Let's see something here. Now, let's open up. Oh, this box is heavy. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Y'all know this is good. I got some eggs, some medium eggs. The price of eggs is sneaking up, just like the price of gasoline is sneaking up. It's ridiculous. But you know what? I got some. Now, let's see. Oh, yes. Split frozen chicken breasts. I can do casseroles. I can do barbecue chicken breasts. I can also do a chicken sandwich. If you have a favorite fast food restaurant that serves a chicken sandwich and you want me to recreate it, let me know before I cook up these chicken breasts. Okay? Let me know. I can do it. You saw my seasoning video. We have some hamburger helper. Now, I'm not going to use the seasoning pack. I'm going to use the noodles only, not the seasoning pack. I'll show you how to make your own hamburger helper without all the salt. Because look, I'm going to tell you something. Oh my goodness. The sodium is 570 milligrams and there's 5 servings in here. I'm not lying. Look at that. Can you guys see that? I'm just going to get it closer. I want to get it in focus. That's a lot of salt. So I'm going to show you how you make your own healthy version. Ooh, some more ground turkey and some ground beef. I'm going to use this. No, I know what I'm going to do. And that's a surprise. You got to tune in for that. I'm going to show you something really good. Chicken noodle soup. One can. I wish it was low sodium, but I can still use this in a bigger pot so the salt won't be so intense. Ooh, apricot halves. Oh, that'll make a great smoothie. Apricot smoothies are great. Wonderful. Low sodium tomato sauce. That's definitely going in my lasagna. Look at this. Red salmon. I'm going to have Mr. Dean on the scene back, and he can do his red salmon dish. Macaroni and cheese, 2 of them. As you know, I use the pasta, and I got the cheese over here, so I'm going to make my own. I don't use the cheese packet inside. Ooh, we got some lentils. Time for some spicy bean dip or spicy bean soup. You guys want to see my spicy bean soup? I'll do it for you. Yes. We got some elbow macaroni. I love this stuff. It's great in casseroles, macaroni and cheese, desserts. There's a sweet dessert I can make using macaroni, yes. And there's a cold pasta dish, Italian pasta salad that I can make with it. Cream style corn, carrots. Oh yes, some pink salmon. Oh, cut green beans. Love green beans. If I can get these to stack. Probably not. Oh, peanut butter. Creamy kind. I like the creamy kind. I don't like the crunchy kind. It's all in my teeth. You don't want to... And, oh. Cornflakes. Love me some cornflakes. Wow. Okay. Now that you guys see what I got from the food pantry, take a good look at everything we got, okay? Now that dictates what I'm going to buy from the store. Anything I have missing to complete a recipe, I can now buy at the store and not spend as much money. So reach out to your local food pantries. Don't be afraid. If you have a question about anything you want to make with an item you receive from the food pantry, write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. Now remember, I love you guys. Oh, and I'm going to be going live this week. And yes, I'm going to address that nasty comment that got put against someone in our little family here on Uncle Chris. This is a place of love, not a place of hate. And I love all of you guys. I really do. If you need help, reach out to me. If you're in my area, the Chicago area or the Chicago suburbs, let me know if you need some food. Please let me know. I will bring it to you. It's not a problem. All right. Bye-bye.